Certificates of insurance are often seen as simple administrative documents. However, these seemingly innocuous forms can harbor hidden risks. These risks can lead to significant financial and legal consequences if not handled correctly. Certificates of insurance serve as proof of coverage. They assure one party that another party holds the necessary insurance. This is crucial for various business interactions. A seemingly small mistake on a certificate can unravel this protection. The case we will examine involves a snow removal contractor in New Jersey. It demonstrates how a misunderstanding of insurance requirements led to a protracted legal battle. The consequences were severe for all parties involved. The case underscores the need for clear communication and meticulous attention to detail. This applies to all aspects of insurance documentation. This case study serves as a cautionary tale. Our case study centers around a snow removal contractor operating in New Jersey. This contractor had secured a contract to clear snow from a commercial property. As part of the contract, the property owner required the contractor to provide a certificate of insurance. The contractor obtained the certificate of insurance from their insurance agency. However, there was a critical error in the document. The additional insured endorsement on the certificate did not align with the requirements stipulated in the contract. The contractor, believing they were fully compliant, commenced their snow removal services. The property owner, also relying on the certificate, assumed they were adequately protected. This set the stage for a legal and financial nightmare. This seemingly simple oversight would have devastating consequences. A general liability policy is a fundamental insurance product for businesses. It provides coverage for a range of potential liabilities, including bodily injury and property damage. An additional insured endorsement is a crucial component of many commercial contracts. It extends the coverage of the named insured's policy to another party, typically the property owner. This provides the additional insured with protection against liability claims arising from the named insured's operations. The problem in this case arose from a mismatch between the endorsement listed on the certificate of insurance and the endorsement required by the contract. The contract stipulated specific language for the additional insured endorsement. However, the certificate of insurance listed a different endorsement. This discrepancy meant that the property owner was not adequately protected under the contractor's policy. A slight variation in wording can have significant legal and financial ramifications. In February 2017, a slip-and-fall incident occurred on the property where the snow removal contractor was operating. An individual walking across the property slipped on a patch of ice and sustained injuries. This unfortunate event triggered a lawsuit against both the property owner and the snow removal contractor. The injured party sought compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. The property owner, believing they were covered as an additional insured, looked to the contractor's insurance policy for protection. However, due to the discrepancy in the additional insured endorsement, the insurance carrier denied coverage for the property owner. This denial left the property owner exposed to the full financial burden of the lawsuit. The seemingly minor error in the endorsement now had very real and costly consequences. The insurance carrier's denial of the claim placed the property owner in a difficult situation. They were now forced to defend themselves in the lawsuit without the financial backing of the contractor's insurance policy. This led to mounting legal expenses as the case progressed. The property owner had to hire their own legal counsel and expert witnesses. The legal battle dragged on for years, further escalating the costs. The situation became a costly lesson in the importance of accurate insurance documentation. The denial of the claim also strained the relationship between the property owner and the snow removal contractor. The mounting legal expenses underscored the potential financial devastation that can result from errors in certificates of insurance. The property owner was now facing a significant financial loss, regardless of the outcome of the lawsuit. This case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of diligence and accuracy in insurance matters. In April 2022, a jury reached a verdict in the case. They found the insurance agency negligent in its handling of the certificate of insurance. The jury determined that the agency had misrepresented the coverage provided to the property owner. This verdict held the agency responsible for the property owner's legal expenses and the resulting financial losses. The agency appealed the verdict, arguing that they had not acted negligently. However, in June 2024, an appellate judge upheld the jury's decision. The judge affirmed that the agency's actions constituted negligent misrepresentation. This decision solidified the agency's financial responsibility in the case. The final verdict and the appellate judge's decision underscored the importance of careful contract review, endorsement matching, and clear communication between all parties involved. The case serves as a cautionary tale for insurance agencies and businesses alike, highlighting the potentially devastating consequences of errors in certificates of insurance.